Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to install one of these navigation SD cards. I picked this up off Amazon, and it's one of these USA, Canada, Mexico TD2K66EZ1 cards. Okay, this is a generic one. Not sure if it will work, but let's see. So, with this car, as in most cases with Mazda, the SD card for the navigation fits in here. As you can see, I don't think anybody has ever put anything in here. So we flip this up like this. Okay. And what's supposed to happen is that the car is supposed to automatically read this and update itself automatically. All right, so we're gonna try it. Okay, so before I go any further, let me see here. How does this go in? I think it goes this way. Is it? No, it goes another way. Is it? Let's see. Okay, it goes in this way. So it goes the text side goes up. It seems. Let's see. Yes. All right, let me switch the camera around so we can have a look at what's going on the screen here. All right, let's do this. Okay. All right, let's see what happens. Let's insert card. Oh, invalid SD card. Well, there you have it. All right, so the card is invalid. Well, truth be told, the guy who was selling it uh, did not list the Mazda 6 as um, one of the cars. So I'm not really surprised by this. I'm not going to knock it too much, but I've seen other YouTubers who used similar cards with the same number, same model number, code number, and seems to work fine. But again, can't knock the seller for that. He did not list it, so I can't blame him and say, okay, he's selling stuff that doesn't work. Um, so anyway, I will put the link in the description below. So if you guys want to try it for yourselves and see what happens, perfectly fine. I'm not knocking this guy in any way. It's not really a review. I just kind of got a little excited that, you know, it was available and so on. I said, hey, let me see what's going on. Let me try to see if I can get navigation in the 2021. But yep, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate you guys who tune in, see the nonsense that I'm going on with. All right, so you know what to do, guys. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.